Do you know the feeling of being stuck? Swimming in a sea of information but not knowing where to start?
We all strive for progress, be it in our personal lives, our careers, or other aspects of our existence. But sometimes the path doesn't seem clear or easy to navigate. There's advice everywhere, the best books you must read. But how do you separate the important from the unimportant? How do you find those pearls of wisdom that can really make a difference? What if there was a way to distill all that knowledge into clear, understandable, and actionable insights?
Welcome to a channel that does just that.
Welcome to 1 in a Million.